Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to get face tracking in Roblox. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. To enable the Roblox face tracking feature, you will have to first allow Roblox to use your camera guys. To do this, open up Chrome. You just need to log in your Roblox account. Click on the settings gear icon. Click on settings. On left side select privacy. You just need to scroll down and in the camera input section you just need to enable this option guys. Use camera to animate your avatar with your movements. Just need to enable it. After enabling it, and make sure that your webcam is properly connected to your PC guys. Now we will launch Roblox player. Now press in keyboard escape key, go to settings. You just need to scroll down. In output devices, make sure your camera device is detected over here. At this time, the face tracking feature is not yet implemented, guys, in many games, and it could take some time until the developers update your favorite games. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.